Oh boy! Look at this fucking weather. Beautiful, sunny. Nobody on the road. Fucking Sunday. And we got a friend on the bike with us. She wanted to go for a ride, so we suited up and here we are. We're gonna go check out somewhere in Tempe first and kick it for a few minutes. Maybe get her a coffee. And then just kind of tootle around a little bit. So we'll see where we end up, but yeah. Plan number one is somewhere over near the college, so we're gonna hit that and call it good. I'm scrubbing hard today. I got shorts on. I'm not wearing my sleeves. What a day this is. She's over here in giant pink combat boots. Level 2 coat. And I'm just like, nah, fuck it. Nah, fuck it. Short sleeves. Who gives a shit? She not like it when I do that. I don't really blame her, but it is a little bit fun. She's holding my boobies right now. This girl's holding my boobies. I finally get to make a video that I can title Delete Tinder, Buy a Bike. That's exciting. I hope Mossface is proud of me. That's a nice old car. That's a little kid in a nice-ass old car. Alright, everything has been completed. We have done the thing, spent some time chilling, relaxing, maxing, all cool. Now we're gonna head back to my place. I'll get a little bit of some kind of video when we get back there so that we can, you know, do our thing from there, or whatever. But, God, it's great weather out today. Here is Broadway. We're gonna take Broadway. I want to see if this is a self-driver. I want to see if this is a self-driver. I want to see. Dump it. Self-driving. Self-driving. That's cool. Now let's get the fuck away from it before it decides to attack. Caught it up. Nub, nub, nub. She got my boobies. I'ma feed you to the monster. Like ice road truckers. Dollar Tree and Family Dollar all in one, huh? Fascinating. She still got my boobs. This is so funny. Good? So far? She's good. She good. Close the lid. Close the lid. I know this wasn't a terribly long video today, and I haven't really been talking a whole lot, but this is nice. This is fun. I'm having fun. She's having fun. We went and got her a new piercing. So she's got that going. I'm gonna just get around this motherfucker. Oh, listen to those pops. I hope you guys can hear that. Give Broski a little wave. Here we go. I don't want to take El Dorado. Let's go up. Let's go up farther. You know, I'm close enough home, so I'm gonna cut the video here probably. Although I may mess with her a bit when we get to the back street here in just a minute. We'll see. Woo, woo. Alright, I'm gonna take a different back street up farther. So, you guys have a great one, and we'll see you next week. Peace. There's the girl. Look at the girl. I'm off. There's the girl. Don't turn one-handed. That's what I just learned. Fun? Have fun? Yeah. Good. Oh, that's